This is the channel to pick the right product for your needs. Watch this channel's video before you decide. Right Pick presents top 5 best Dutch ovens. Let's get started with the list, starting of our list at number 5. Logitech 4D33 Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven. Enameled cast iron made in China to Lodge specifications. All of the Lodge cast iron cookware made in USA. Porcelain enamel interior and exterior. Self-fasting cover with handle traps and heat, moisture, and nutrients. 4.5 quart capacity. Stainless steel knob. Hand washing recommended. At number 4, Logitech 6D53 Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven. Let's take a look some of its features and benefits. 6-quart lid Dutch oven made of enameled cast iron. Ideal for stovetop cooking, baking, marinating, refrigerating, and freezing. Chip-resistant porcelain enamel surface eliminates the need to season. Hand wash. Oven safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Wood or silicone utensils recommended. Measures 10-3/4 inches in diameter. Limited lifetime warranty. Coming in at number 3, Lodge L8DAL3 Cast Iron Dutch Oven with dual handles. Some cool features can help you to buy it or not. Let's take a look. Self-fasting domed lid preserves moisture. Loop handles aid in carrying. Pre-seasoned with vegetable oil formula and ready for immediate use. Rugged cast iron construction heats slowly and evenly. 5-quart Dutch oven with cast iron lid ideal for slow cooking foods. It's an excellent Dutch oven. You can choose it for your needs. At number 2, Lodge L12DCO3 Deep Camp Dutch Oven. This oven is really a different one because of its nice features. Let's take a look. 8-quart Deep Camp Dutch Oven for campfire or fireplace cooking. Seasoned cast iron ready to use. Cast iron lid inverts for use as griddle. Made in USA multifunctional cookware. Virtually non-stick surface. 12-inch diameter by 5-inch deep. Easy to clean hand wash, dry, rub with cooking oil. And lastly our top choice is Lodge L12DO3 Cast Iron Dutch Oven with iron cover. Its top-notch features you should consider. Let's take a look. Made of cast iron, pre-seasoned and ready to use, multifunctional cookware, virtual non-stick surface, works with induction stove tops, brutally tough for decades of cooking, wire bail handle, easy to clean hand wash, dry, rub with cooking oil. To see all of our choices go to the links below in the description and search for more information and the price.